Hello my YouTube family members, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Makai's Cakes here. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this delicious home bread recipe. Trust me, this recipe is so easy to make, and if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my old subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always engaging on my videos. So guys, if there's something you're really interested to watch, I want you to sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Please like the video, share the video, drop your comments, let me know what you think about this video, and also subscribe to my channel. It's very important to do this. So enjoy the video, guys. Welcome back, you guys. So these are the ingredients here. I have my flour, my sugar, the margarine. You can also use unsalted butter if you have any, and here is my milk and the water, warm water, of course, vegetable oil, and the most important ingredient, which is the yeast. Please, it's very important to use a very active yeast. You understand? If your yeast is not active, your bread will not rise. So the first thing you need to do is adding your water into the bowl, your milk, your yeast, and then you add in your flour. Just follow the procedure on this video, okay? So when you add in all your ingredients except the vegetable oil and your margarine, and your margarine, right? So you add in all the ingredients inside your mixing bowl, and then you mix it properly. Well, for those that be wondering, but I don't have a mixer. The thing is, for bread, you need a mixer. But however, if you feel like you can use your hand to mix it, then why not? Except maybe you have the energy, you understand. But if you want to use your hand, ensure that you have to use like more like have enough energy and strength to mix this dough, because to mix this dough is not an easy task. For this first process, ensure that you mix it for like 15 minutes. But if you are using your hands, ensure that, or note that, you have to extend it to like maybe 20 to 25 minutes, you understand. So at this point, when you mix it, the next thing for you to add is your margarine or your unsalted butter. So your dough has to form very well before you now add in your butter or your margarine. So let's see what the dough is looking like after adding the margarine or your unsalted butter. So as you can see, our dough is not yet stretchy enough, because the goal of this thing is that for anything bread, your dough has to be stretchy enough, you understand. So if you look at this dough, it's not well stretchy enough. Can you see? So at this point, I will have to knead it again. So you can imagine you trying to use your hands to do this thing, and then you just have to know that it's not an easy task, you understand. So I'm using my mixer to mix this dough all over again so that I can achieve a stretchy dough. So let's see what it's looking like at the moment. As you can see now, you guys, our dough is okay. There's enough gluten to it. The dough is now stretchy. Do you understand? So if you've kneaded your bread dough to this point and it's stretchy, just like what you're seeing on this video, can you see, guys? So even if you're using your hands and then you got to this point, then your bread or the dough is now okay. Don't need to, do any more thing again. So at this point, the dough is stretchy enough. You can imagine that you can see that this one was different from, when I checked it the first time. You understand? So right now it's time to mold it properly and allow it to rise. Like I said before, even if you don't have a mixer, you can use your hands, but you need to know that you must have make sure that you must have eaten enough. You must have eaten enough. Like, make sure that you have enough strength to do this, because it's not, like I said before, you guys, it's not an easy task, you get. So please, if you have watched to this point, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up. You guys, check out this dough. So this is what your dough should look like, at the final stage. You understand? You guys get what I'm saying? So your dough should look like this. You can see how stretchy and soft it is. So please like the video, subscribe to my channel, drop your comments. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section and I will answer it. So at this point, I'm putting the dough inside a bowl and then I'm going to cover it. If you can use a cling film to cover it, but because my cling film was far away from me, I couldn't get it. But I'm using a nylon and a bigger nylon to cover it. So when you're done, ensure you put it inside the oven or inside your microwave, okay, and then allow it to rise for like 1 hour or 45 minutes, between 45 minutes and 1 hour, okay. Please don't put it inside your oven when probably when it's still hot or warm. Your oven should not be hot, it should just be, at a room temperature, okay. I hope you guys understand what I said here.
A few moments later.
So let's see what our dough is looking like. I kept mine inside the microwave, and my microwave was actually, it was okay, it was not hot or warm. So let's see what the dough is. As you can see from this video, the dough has risen very, very well. So that's because my yeast is very, very active. If you don't have something like this, then that means your yeast is not active at all. So I took the dough out of my bowl and I had to, like mold it or fold it or whatever, to just to give me a smooth texture, okay. At this point, I'm trying to cut it in different sizes. So you can use bread pan to, to bake this bread, you understand? And there's something we call loaf pan. Yeah, loaf pan for bread. So ensure you have something like that, where you can use to bake your bread, just in case you want to try this recipe. Do you understand? So this is what I mean by bread loaf pan, you understand? So make sure that you apply some margarine on it. The essence of this is for your bread not to get stuck or get sticks, stuck or stick, whatever. But you shall get what I'm saying, okay? So you put it inside you put the dough inside your bread loaf pan, and then just try to mold it this way. Doesn't really have a fine shape, but make sure that you form a kind of a sausage roll. Not too much sausage roll, do you understand? Just get something like this sharp, and then you put it inside. Just mold something like that and put it inside your bread pan, you understand? So this one is the second one I have here. If you have something like this black one, you can use it to bake your bread. So I'm applying oil on top of the dough just to give it that shiny effect after baking, you understand? But if your bread should stay longer, the surface of your bread might just get dried at the end of the day. So guys, our bread is ready, as you can see from this video. I love the loaf, so nice. This is the back of the bread, and looking all nice like a normal homemade bread. So I'm applying a margarine on top of the bread just to give it that shiny look effect. And this bread tastes so nice. Please feel free to check the recipe on the description of this video. Okay. The recipe gave me like 3 loaves, but I would have actually, use the whole loaves inside the silver pan just to give it that puffy shape. You understand? Because I was thinking that the dough is probably too small, too much for the loaf pan. That's because it normally increases or doubles in size. So probably if I had known, but I'll put all the dough inside the 2-in-1 loaf. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but however, it's still fine. I hope you guys got value from this video. This is the inside of the bread. Looks so nice, perfect for your breakfast with akara or what they call it again, with your bread and tea. You can use it for bread and sardine as well. Looks so soft and nice. So please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe, and please, if you do, please share your feedback with me. Let me know if it was hard or easier for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.